Hi, my friends. It's Mrs. B, and Happy New Year. Today, I wanted to read you one of my most favorite books. This is The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. This is written by Willems, and he did the pictures for it as well. Okay, here we go. The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. I really do. The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. And down here on the list, you can see that he also wants some striped socks, some clips, but he really wants a puppy. The pigeon wants a puppy. Oh, hello. How are you? I'm fine. Thanks for asking. By the way, do you know what I want? What I've wanted forever? Uh, at least since last Tuesday. A puppy! Puppy, puppy, puppy! Oh, don't worry. I'll take care of it. I promise. I'll water it once a month. What? Everybody knows that puppies need plenty of sunshine and water. Oh, I get it. You don't want me to be happy, do you? You don't want me to take a piggyback ride on my puppy or play tennis with it. You just don't understand. I'm a puppy loving pigeon. Aww, puppies. I want a puppy right here, right now. Woof. What? What's that? Woof, 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 woof. Is it possible? Have my dreams come true? Woof! It's huge! It has teeth and hair and that wet nose and the slobber and the claws! I mentioned the teeth, right? I really had no idea. I have changed my mind. I want a walrus. Thank you, my friends, for letting me reach you. I sure do miss you, and I hope you and your family are staying safe and happy, and I hope we'll see you very soon.